You're watching Code 3 Rewind. Real footage, no filters. Was this justified? Drop your take in the comments. And help me hit 1,000 subs. Subscribe now and say I'm in below.
North Hollywood Patrol Division officers responding with emergency lights and siren to a radio call of a domestic violence in the 6700 block of Riverton Avenue. When the officers were traveling eastbound on Saticoy Street approaching Cleon Avenue, a driver of a silver Honda Accord negotiated a left-hand turn from Cleon to Saticoy, which resulted in a multi-vehicle crash. The driver was later identified as Jose Hernandez.
Under the influence, gray sweater, jeans, suspect refusing to leave. PR did not acknowledge what apartment. PR disconnected line. Upon additional callback, received voicemail was 141. You're good?
Yeah, dude.
Under the influence, gray sweater, jeans, suspect refusing to leave. PR did not acknowledge what apartment. PR disconnected line. Upon additional callback, received voicemail was 141.
Fuck!
You're good?
Yeah, dude.
Fuck! You're good?
Yeah.
You're good?
Yeah.
Hey, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. We're good. I'm gonna check on him. You're good? You're good? He's good? Adam 39, let me get a RRA on Cleon Saticoy for a male approximately 55 years of age, unconscious, not breathing, from TC accident. Let me also get another 2 for us officers. Under the influence, gray sweater, jeans, suspect refusing to leave. PR did not acknowledge what apartment. PR disconnected line. Upon additional callback, received voicemail was 141.
You good?
Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded to the scene and pronounced Hernandez deceased. Jose Hernandez was a 91-year-old resident of Los Angeles.
Made it this far. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your time. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and your support makes all the difference. See you in the next one.